Hi everyone, I'm Chuan Xiangnian. Today my topic is a critical analysis and the comparison of the effect of the environment support on the enterprise and entrepreneurship in China, USA, and Brazil. This is contents. My presentation has four parts. Part 1 is who I am. Part 2 is the introduction. Part 3 is the analysis. And the last one is the conclusion. Hi guys. Firstly, I will everyone know who I am. My name is Chuan Xiangyan, and I come from China. I got the first degree at the Industry of Technology Cairo, and I study at international business. And now I study enterprise and entrepreneurship at the University of Leeds. About my work experience, I'm in HR industries. In LinkedIn, I'm a recruiter. In TikTok, I'm a HR business partner, and in the JD, I'm a HRS. Part 2 Introduction. There are differences in the level of the entrepreneur activity and the environment in the global. Many factors affect the entrepreneur environment, such as finance, training, sports, and policies. So this presentation is through the research on the how incubator affects the entrepreneur environment in China, USA, and Brazil. So what is an incubator? About the definition, the business incubator is a new type of the economy organization that provides the necessary infrastructure and a series of the service for the startup company to grow into the major enterprise. And the incubator helps the company growth, reduce the entrepreneur risk and cost. The main purpose of the incubator is to achieve the financial support and independent operation of the enterprise. Part 3 Analyze. About the situation of China, USA, and Brazil. The USA is a developed country, and China and Brazil are developing countries. About the GDP, they all have a very high total GDP, and they have economic powers. The USA ranks first, China ranks second, and Brazil ranks 12th. Both of China and Brazil are considered to be the country with the most development potential. And about the global enterprise-ship and development indeed, the USA ranked first, China ranked 43rd, and Brazil ranked 98th. About the role of the government have an important role in the entrepreneurial environment and incubator. In US, the government involvement is reflected at the federal, state, and local levels. The state government play a leading role, and the federal and local government play a supporting role. The state government supports the development of the incubator through the legalization and funds. In many cases, incubator funds determines the strategy force, and the operating goal of the incubator is economic development rather than technical transfer like the university. And in China, the government is highly involved in the operating and decision of the incubator. Many companies affirm the role of the government. However, only 14% of the company have achieved independence, and a large number of the company don't achieve their goals, and they rely heavily on the government subsidy, which means in many times this model is ineffective. And don't like the China and US, the Brazilian government cooperate with the university and the industry. Most incubators are set up in the university, and the government have two goals: technical development and social development. About the source of funds, the financial support determines the survival of the enterprise. I found some interesting difference in these three countries. The incubator model in the US is more diversified, and with it comes from diversified funding sources. There are two types of the funding sources, formal and informal. About the formal funds, it is government capital, and these funds come from the state government and the Ministry of Economic Development. For the informal funds, such as personal investment and equity investment. And in China, there are some difference with the US. More than 95% of the funds are the state-owner capital. For example, state-owner enterprise capital and central government capital. Unlike the US, the China almost no personal investment for the incubator. This is related to the China's economic system. The state-owner capital occupies a major proportion. And the last one is Brazil. Because most of incubators are set up in the university, and the university is major funding source for the incubator. University have a lot of technical incentive funds for the company. Considered by the funds, the screen of the Brazilian incubators not too big. The incubator also provides some service for the enterprise. In US, as the most mature country in the incubator, they provide full circle service. In the early growth stage, the incubator provides a bank loan and venture capital for the company. And then the incubator will have the company set up the content with the industry to develop the business. And in the final stage, the incubator will also provide the company with the IPO guidance. And in China, the incubator focuses on the basic service, such as office, equipment, and consulting opinions. And the incubator also helps the company get the government subsidy and bank loan. Since the capital market is underdeveloped, there are less risk investment. And in Brazil, the incubator provides entrepreneurial environment and technical transfer service. Because entrepreneurs don't trust the bank system, the incubator don't provide the bank loan. Part 4. Conclusion. First, there are many similarities in the incubation method in the developed and developing country. For example, the incubator provides the space and financial support for the enterprise in these three countries. Second, a good entrepreneurial environment can promote the entrepreneurship and help the start-up company to develop the business. Third, the incubator is afraid by the economic system and cultural background. For example, in China, the public owner economy occupies the dominant proportion in the economic system. So the state owner capital is highly involved in the incubator activity. Both in the China and Brazil, the financial industry has not addressed the risk or growth capital need of the early stage. Only financial support can help the enterprise get through the early stage. So the incubator needs to survive this problem. And the last one is the government play an important role in the development of the incubator. And this is reference. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.